Are you certain you don't need an extra hand?
Trust me, I can finish setting up myself. You just relax. Go get to know everyone else better.
Perhaps Amy is right. I can't help being such a workaholic.
Hey, Fire Lady!
Okay, Blaze. Now is your chance to break the ice. Introduce yourself like normal. Hello there, Scholar. It is I, Blaze the cat. As you may have suspected from my previous statement, I am indeed a cat. I am also an imperial princess from a parallel dimension and protector of the Soul Emeralds. I am sworn to This is so stupid.